Okay, mag-start na ta ha. Sige, naman na ninyo yung pabalingon. In 3 seconds.
Yes, direct. Copy direct.
Uy, naminaw ka wala. Uy! Naminaw ay.
Sipas
Dali,
si
dali,
kini siya ba no?
Tugay
Yan
dyan
ba siya
siya
oy?
ba? Padlungon dyan kay kandak ko ba? Asa mga liwat ay?
Hi everyone! Welcome to my page. So for today's vlog, we have a cell phone repair.
Na, naging is English na mahinoon ni siya. Uy, di man to ni siya Amerikano ay.
So we need to replace the LCD because the LCD is broken. As you can see, we need to replace the
Naging is English yan ang kagawa mo. Mula ba yung kabalong English? Bantay lang ni mo kadimao ba kanigaon? Bantay lang ganyan.
So for today's vlog, I will show you how to replace LCD.
Ikalinto wala. Noon sa ka?
Go!
Digan mo papugo mo. Kasi English di siya. Bantay lang niya doon. Bantay lang lagi ni. Kadimao ba yung kaniyang kalaki bagid? Nakiat lang sa niyang dagway ba? Hindi maminaw. Hindi maminaw dyan. Pag English dyan. Bantay lang ganyan doon. Bantay lang ganyan. Kadimao ba ganyan? Tanaw na to rin.
So this is the cell phone. We need to replace the LCD, and this is the brand new LCD that we can put there, and this is our tools.
Duda ko napasmugid ni siya ba? Napasmugid.
First thing to do, let's disassemble the cell phone. So let's remove the SIM.
Hoy, naunsa naman ka? English spoken naman kay ka. Basid, kuya ni siya ba no? Basid, paminaw na gani niya ba kay kanang giapil niya kao na silupin sa suliso ba? O, dili ba ka, nakatulo ni siya o kanang guwan ba garantil as nga bayot? Basin di pa hak ni tumboy nga lamok? English siya ba? Di ka siya minaw ba? Di ka siya mapaawat ba? Halala. Basin na sanid ba ni siya? Adi ni saan ba niya? Amerikano nga diwindigid. Magin niya akong dudagid. Kay, English spoken yun siya ba? Hindi siya magkwa, awa ka ganyan kalaki. Anawa. Paminawa ninyo.
That's the first step. Remove the SIM tray and carefully remove the back case. And take note, be careful to remove the back case because there is a fingerprint flex. Be careful of removing that. Take note, guys. Unscrew the bolt so that we can remove the back case.
Okay, so what's next?
The next step is unscrew all the bolt. So, unscrew all. We're gonna take the cover of the board so that we can get the LCD. Make sure to remove all the bolt
Ikaw, basin ganahan na ka ma-remove sa earth.
and remove the cover of the motherboard. And then we're gonna remove the battery like that. Remove the battery and then remove the LCD, the connector of the LCD. And next we're gonna remove the LCD in the frame. We're gonna use this cutter blade so that we can easily get the LCD just like that. So you see, very easy, just follow the steps. Remove, oops, careful, and then you pull it out, just like that. And then you're gonna remove the adhesive, all the remaining adhesive on the frame. Make sure to clean it well. Yes. Make sure to clean it well so that we have the best result in putting the LCD inside again. And remove and clean it well. Get a brush, anything, brush it, clean it just like that.
Just like that, kabayong budlat.
Everything's gonna be alright.
Ayog ka na mauba.
And then, we're gonna test the new LCD. We're gonna test it first so that let's make sure the LCD is good. The replaced LCD is good. Then put again the battery so that we can turn it on. So we're gonna test it.
May mampod pa kay English pod. Not bad. May sad. Pamina na ko na ay talent ni. Na ay talent ani sane ba ni? Bright nga di windy ani sane ba ni?
So let's power on. So the LCD is working. Nice. And later on, we're gonna test the touchscreen. Wait. Just like that. Then, as you can see, the touchscreen is working. Not bad. So, the LCD is good. And I try it
Tapos
again.
bahala na ka di oy. Yung medyo ka mapawat, bahala na ka. Pag English niya, bahala na ka.
So far, so good. Everything's alright. So, we're gonna attach the LCD in the frame. Before that, we're gonna prepare the LCD. Let's remove the...
Kapag English niya, kinsa mabitay sungguhon niya, nosebleed man jud kaon niya, jud.
Hold tight in the back of the frame. As you can see, I remove that and then just like that. And before that, we're gonna put some adhesive in the frame, in the side of the frame, so that when we attach the LCD, it will hold tight in the frame and we can get the best result. So as you can see, I put adhesive in the frame, side by side of the frame, carefully, just like that. As you can see, that's very important part of the replacing LCD. Just like that. Careful. A little amount of adhesive is all we need to get the best result. And then we're gonna put the LCD just like that. Press a little, not too hard. And then connect the connector and the board. And then we're done.
Hala, niula na.
Then we put back the battery.
Niula na ba ka na? Kuyawan ni siya ahaba.
Let's cover it. Screw again. Put back all the bolts. Screw. And we're gonna put back the fingerprint, the back case. Then slowly, not too hard to press, close it. And then, and the last part, we're gonna put some scotch tape in the LCD. Let's wait about 3 hours so that the adhesive will dry. And then, we're done.
Damat na human na siya madugay. Plakpak po tatingali o iloipod. Hoy, nagot na ka. Tuhan, ano split na. Daan ko palagi da. Miss English man good. Tagang. Ay magulo. Tagang, mirisi ni mo. Tuwa. Split na siya. Ano lagi si English mo pud ka good?
May na lang good. May na lang basig na yung mga tanaw dito sa layo ba? Dito sa Amerika. Kung bisag asa ba around the world ba? Ano ang gusto?
Usa! Nangandoy pag around the world ang tanahan, no? Naglamboy yung taka around the world.
Di lagod naman ni nood good.
Di rin malanggan sa Pilipinas. So ano mga ginahimutan na sa mga bidya?
Bas hindi ay.
Bahindo call, ganahan ka.